Hello guys, today I'm going to show how to partition a disk in Red Hat Linux in VMware Workstation. So for that, first you have to click on this Edit Virtual Machine Settings for your operating system, and you have to add a disk. You have to select this hard disk and click on Next. Leave it default SCSI and click Next. Click Next again and click Next again, and now click on Finish. So the new disk is added here, you can see, and press on OK and power on your virtual machine. So this will take some time for booting. Okay, our machine has booted up. So now I'm going to log in as a root. You have to enter login as root as well, because root can make changes to the operating system whatever you want to. And now you have to open the terminal. In the terminal you have to type fdisk -l space -l to list the partitions. Here you can see there are 3 partitions which are from the disk 1, hard disk 1, and there's no partition in this disk 2 /dev/stp. So we have to create it. So for that we have to type fdisk /dev/stp and then enter. Now press M for help. Now for creating partition you have to press N and then enter to add a partition, and then you have to select which partition you want to create. So we have to create primary partition, so we'll enter P and then enter. Partition number is 1. Leave it default and press enter, and you have to specify the size here. So I'm going to specify plus 1024 megabytes and press enter. Okay, so size has been specified. Now you can see the partition table by P. So you can see there's a partition created. Now we have to save this. So for saving this we have to click press W and press enter. Okay, so successfully the partition has been created. Now we have to format this partition. For that we have to type mkfs command .vfat, which is the file system type, and then you have to specify the device, but specify the partition, and so /dev/sdb and 1, and you have to press enter. So it has been formatted as well, and it has been assigned an file type. Now what you have to do is we have to mount this partition to a location. So for mounting we have to create a directory. So I'm going into the root directory, cd / enter. So there are many directories here, and I'm going to create an extra directory which will be the location of this partition. So using mkdir I'm creating a directory mount1 to mount that partition into this mount1 directory. Press enter. Okay, so directory has been created. You can see here mount1. Now I have to mount this. So for mounting you have to use the command mount, then which partition we have to mount, /dev/sdb1 to the directory /mount1, and then press enter. So directory has been mounted successfully. Now you have to use one more command, which is part probe, to make aware of the changes you have uh, done in the partition. So everything is done. The partition has been created. Now you can go into the partition, cd/mount1. So we are in here. Currently nothing is here, but we can create some file. Like, let me create a file, hello.txt. Okay, so hello world, and we can save this file and exit. Now you can see there is a hello.txt file. This file is a swap file created automatically because maybe some changes happened in the file. So everything is done. Thanks for watching.